that's the way. That's the way for nigga. Yeah. I book a plane. I do a show, forget them haters. Yeah. Oh, that's the way. Yeah, that's the way for nigga. Yeah. I be poppin' shit, getting money with a new whip. Same soul with a huge dick. Her ass flat, but she suck dick. Drama like every day. Mama wanna see a better way. On this block, chain tied. On this block, more die. Drive by under starlight, his heart stop.
So yeah, dude. Yo, I'm never know if I said that. Cause I'm just my mojo, dog. Yeah, that's a it's not like that shit. So anyway, welcome people. So yo, we're there at Portland right now. I go back. Go to Portland and go back. Where will I go back again? Go back to the river. Back into it again because the youth are.
Oh, this is in the water.
The youth are showboat. You see me? So.
The black box is in the water coming.
So anyway, I go back at the river right now. And we reach us so yo. Sure walk one, you see me? So hope so we can enjoy myself again. The rain will fall. Would hurt me. Some one them. Yo, what you over so?
Yo, make him kick one. I'll video.
Yo, what you over so? In the phone! Straight in the phone! Save your keeper! Straight in the phone! Hey! Straight in the phone! Yeah, you're soft dog. So yo, so they're back in the spot. Tugs them. Yo, the water actually feel better than before. Like, man, come up with the stone. That was the man, dog. That was the man, dog. So we're there. Well, I know that. So we're there. I gotta take in the water now again. So, yo, man, we back that phone, dog. Ain't a man in the dog. So, that's all I got. Exactly, I tell you. I know people, so just check the GoPro, dog, and so just check the GoPro and the battery dead is it. So right now, the youth have a USB. You see me? So I wait on the careful fall back, give the GoPro a little charge, cause we'll have to get some underwater shots. You see me, people? So just beard with, you see it? Just beard with. My mom have a epic.
That's a dog, no. I want that jar and wet still.
You know, you better use the lighter and dry it up quick. Then the heater will stop. The one little puff him taking the people, he want to go mad in that one little puff.
Yo, catch the camera shooting, dog.
I'm tired to catch them at the video shoot, dog. Yo, tell about girls, send them go, dog.
That's all they do.
Take pictures.
That's all they do.
Like,
they go with their cameras, their phones, and on it the entire time. And they see everything.
like honestly, like I mean, I vlog, so I have a reason, but
yeah,
even within that, I still put down my phone. Like I mean,
you know, you go to a party, they video everything. They're not whining anymore. They're just on the fucking phone, plugging everything, Snapchatting, Instagram, every fucking just on the phone. I swear to yo, it's annoying.
It's annoying. It's like I'm a technology person, but honestly, sometimes I just want to go out and just enjoy the moment, though. Like,
you know what I mean?
Like every
minute. I know you want to catch the moment, yeah, but like put
every minute of every second, log. Like seriously, that's OD, dog. Like sometimes me even get annoyed at myself, dog. Cause like, honestly, sometimes I just want to put on the camera, but I choose this and I want the video. You see me? So it's kind of different, but I still find time. All I want to do, like almost 2 hours now, I'ma still find time. But then, it's annoying, and it's why the water drip from here. But them, dog, them just a rocket hard. But I mean, it is what it is. You see me?
Just skip to it.
That is one.
I need money bags full of dough. I'm a savage, I know. Hey, watch me dab on the low. Hey, oh my god. Hey, oh my god. I need money bags full of dough. Hey, I'm a savage, I know. Yeah, watch me dip station, outer space, always on vacation. Yeah, shout out to my Freemasons. That fettuccine coming in, I can taste it. Wow, I no longer want to plead the fifth. Yeah.
So, when I look like apparently we can't get the charge of GoPro because the car, man, if it not pushing enough power or what, but it not charge of GoPro. So, unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to get no water shots. So it was still, you know, more adventures like this to come anyway. So when I shot or nothing, so I go and live it up with friend them. Don't know, cause I'm charge them soon leave. I mean now I'm going forever, but I mean I'm going so you know we just chill as friends and things. So hope you guys enjoying the vlog. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I'm seeing that we're growing because I mean it's us thing, we're a family. I mean, I think I'm gonna stick with Kush Nation because I feel like it's thick. So yeah man, so Kush Nation I grow. You see me? Just like, remember to subscribe, like the video and thing. And let's go and enjoy the rest of the vlog, you see me? So you don't know the boat. But I want to change as I reach back in the town. You look like a boy so dog.
Do not
sure.
put me in.
Yeah! So yeah, we're there about and go for the reach him back and bodded up. The youth always want to look like him or some star boy, watch him. Always.
Fuck up my shorts.
That's the way. That's the way for nigga. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I book a plane. I do a show, forget them haters. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that's the way. Yeah, that's the way, my nigga. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, I be poppin' shit. Getting money with a new whip. Same soul with a huge dick. Her ass flat, but she suck dick. Drama like every day. Mama wanna see a better way.
Make a one pit stop, you see it. I'm gonna buy some jerk chicken. Some jerk chicken over there, so. And thing. No, I love the countryside. Oh, fuck. Shit. I try to tell myself, say, oh, must try stop use profanity in my vlog. More to be as user friendly as possible, so I try my best, but it's just me though, it's me. I mean this is me not cursing, not saying it is good to curse, it's not being me. Because when they're bridging them, I don't want to trick that get trick. Is it man, that's about with self dog.
Cursing is good, there's nothing wrong with cursing. A matter of fact, there's no such thing as a cursor.
Exactly.
Cursing is relative. Or a curse word is relative.
But like, I mean, it's to me a curse word is just like to exaggerate something. You know, like you just say that's good, but that's fucking good. You know, like you know.
It's for grown-ups.
Exactly.
It's for grown-ups.
Like I don't say. I mean, not saying if you use it as an everyday or like in the case of like trying to use it in all their conversations, but. Dog, it is what it is, dog. I mean, I want to be me, and that's a whole vlog. It's about being yourself, dog. So if I'm slowly have to try to transform myself, then it don't make sense to do what I do. Because, I mean, I know that there's money behind this, what I'm doing, but at the end of the day, I'm doing it for memories and I'm doing it for myself. So, why not be myself? You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, but they're about to see.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes. Even if we're strangers till we die.
Brother, that's too much candy.
Too much. You want to look to himself?
Oh, he's paying for you.
And then the man still stuck up. Around how much is this so far?
And there you check.
Like 5, 6. So hopefully my batching are dead because more go out of when again, maybe it boom so maybe more go get some food at KFC or Pizza Hut. So over there I go and ease about. I go and reason and I consume some ice cream, but we need to leave now, so I'm about to head out. So think about reaching me. Yeah, I'm supposed to reach up, go on party tonight, so I'll probably just show no walk on and thing. Anyway, peace out. Hey guys. Yeah, batch did dead and thing, and we never get for Pizza Hut. And the party, well, apparently you're not hearing the music, so you're not keep. So just stay here, I'll edit this and crunch it down. I'm there with Lorenzo, I'm over this one, I don't know if you can see him. Okay. I'm some friends or something. Another friend of mine, but anyway. There, I go and chill, I'll have to do some work. There's always tell me, story time brought to you by Lorenzo Sky.
Yeah, nigga, you tune in on my shit. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow, Lorenzo Sky, nigga, add that nigga. Yeah.
Anyway, peace out, guys. Have fun. Just be true to yourself.
Be true to yourself.
Be true to yourself. And